they might have something a little bit different that makes them sort of a little, that's presumed to be a little bit different than the other products, so they can have a little bit of pricing power. And of course, sort of what you probably understand then also about like all these gas stations, what's important to them is the convenience store part of stuff. That's where they make, that's where they do have profit. And so they do want, and that's why some will even sort of, this complicates the model, but some will sort of like try to drop the gasoline prices a bit below the other places. They understand they're losing money in the gasoline if they do that, but it's to get you there, and the hope is that they're going to go inside and buy some soda or some sandwiches, and they actually like it a lot more in the States where you can like buy liquor at the gas stations too, because there's a lot more potential for revenue in that setting too, like Virginia compared to Maryland, that contrast. But yeah, they almost make no money on the gasoline. Because in theory, in the long run, other firms have entered, and Ribbon is competitive enough. They're all selling gasoline, yes, and some sell, if you sell something a little bit different, or presumed to be a little different, the places that sell sort of like, what are called, you know, generic brand gas stations, I think they're probably selling the same thing, but people, enough sort of people are a little worried of something different, that they have to bring a lower price in to sort of get people to come there. But in general, the prices are the same because they're price takers, they're selling similar product, there's many buyers, many suppliers, it's easy to have good information, you just look at the prices and you decide, you might pay 2 cents more because it's a pain to get to the one if you go around the corner, but so a good location gives you a couple cents. But their market is all about sort of getting you into the gas station and hope that somehow you'll get into the store too. And that's why you get fancier and fancier and better convenience. I mean, if they had their, you know, they sort of